nghe bắt đầu nhé. Tất cả gối xuống chập tay. Nhắm mắt, eyes closed. Tập trung thở, focus on the breath. Bala Om chanting, 3 times Om chanting. Hít vào, inhale. Hít vào. More than one more time. Inhale. Swatai, rub your palm. Place your palm on your eyes. Open your eyes, look up at your palm. And now relax. Welcome in hip and twist. Tatkal just relax your hands first. High thighs are long, hands behind your hip. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee, squeeze, look down. Again, hít vào, thang lưng, lưng lên, thở ra vai xuống bin lên, drop shoulder, look up. 1, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale, palm on the knee, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. Down thighs are long, finger lock from behind. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, slowly bend down and twist one. Inhale, come back. Once again, one. Drop shoulder and look up. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward, twist one. Bone swan, down swan, thigh leg. Your hip down, your head down, hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back. Inhale, exhale, relax your hands. High thigh lane, both hands up. Inhale, knee lane, look up. Exhale, từ từ, tay xuống, nhìn xuống, arms down, look down. Hít vào, hai tay lên. Knee lane, look up, stay there. 1, breathe in. 2, suck your belly in, hover. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale. Relax your hips. Again, both hands up, finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and look up. 1, 2, suck your belly in, little push your spine back, go to the lungs out. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, relax your neck. Down tight, open arms to your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, drop your right hand down, left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back, exhale, same on the left side. Inhale, come back, exhale on your right side. Inhale, come back, exhale again on the left side. Inhale, come back, exhale, go to 5. Drop your right elbow. Inhale, come back, exhale, drop your left elbow. Inhale, come back, one more time, drop your right elbow, mathin lane. 1, 2, downward chest one. 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody turn on the right side. Stretch your arm, your spine, and your head down. Thumb tie down swan, downward chest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, drop your left elbow, gaptai chai. 1, right knee down, downward five swan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the same. Turn on your left side. Stretch your arms, your both palm align. Your head down, your knee down. Thumb tie down swan, downward chai swan. Mouth high. Ba, bone, numb, and then sound. Hit wow, come back. Thausa, then tai swan. High thigh lane, both hands up. Down thigh, finger lock. Inhale, exhale, gear 5 on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, gear chai on the left. Inhale, come back. Exhale on the right, gear 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale on the left. Inhale, come back. Both the noa, thausa, gear 5. Matni lane, look up. Khom nin lane, mo, high, ba, bone, numb, sound. Hit bow, come back. Thausa, gear chai on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, and exhale, relax your hips. Thigh five on downward chai, right hand left knee, thigh chai leg, left hand up. Inhale, exhale, gear 5 on the right. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax, other side. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. One more time, Modhan Noa, Tai Chi Len Hitwa, toes are DM5, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Now thigh five leg, inhale, exhale, DM Chai on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax again. Again, thigh five on downward chai, right hand left knee. Thigh chai sound, left hand near hip. Inhale, exhale, twist, and look back. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side. Sorry, left side. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right. Monk Swan Family. Inhale, come back. Now jump tight, open arms, exhale, thumbs up, turn on the left side, Swai Samchai. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side, just try. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on your left side, stay there. 1 and break. 2, 3, knee down, downward swan. 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, twist one, bend forward, thumb tight, arms straight, down slowly, your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Thangchan, your legs straight. A little open legs and move your legs. Move your knees up and down. Legs closer. Toes point. Flex your feet. Toes point. Flex your feet. Rotation. Ankle rotation. Anti-clockwise in the plank. And relax. Just flex your toes. And then relax. Your both feet together. Lock your feet. Thumb and spine straight. Right hand on the left leg. Left hand near hip. Inhale. Exhale. Twist and just look back. 1. Thumb lump. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come back. Your right foot with your left inner thigh. Thigh in. Both hands up. Inhale. Exhale. Twist one, bend forward. Pull the right foot, flex your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Come back everybody. Right hand on the left knee. So first just try to keep your chest out as maximum, and then your Tai Chi line, inhale and exhale. Just try to be bend down and look up. Stay there. 1, breathe in. 2, 3, chest out, button in lane. 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Mudra Loa. Twist one, bend down on the right foot, flex your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Very good. Come back. Thang chan. Right heel, left leg, left knee, near hip, and then twist, look back. Ding thon, thang lung, bong suan, mo, high, ba, bone, nam, sao. Come back. Right foot with your left inner thigh. High thigh lane. Hip bow. Thở ra. Twist one. Bend down. Hold the left foot and flex your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Hit bow, come back. Thumbs up and relax. The same other side. Left hand on the right knee. Keep the chest out first, and then Tai Chi leg, hit bow. Thumbs up and just bend it. Look up, chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hit bow, high thigh leg, Mudra Loa, thở ra, twist one, bend down, hold the left foot, flex your foot, doak, namko thigh, hold the wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good. Come back. Relax your leg. Gup, chan, chai. Bend the left leg. Tai Chi Sao. Tai Chi, drop the right elbow on the left leg. Good. Thang Lu. Your spine straight, just ding one and then twist and look back. Thuzan Y. Relax your shoulder. Y. Dao going chai. Go. Thang. Your knee, your both shoulder, head. One line. 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Relax and come back. Gup, chan phi, your right leg. Same left elbow. Tai phi, sao lung, right hand near to hip and twist, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Very good. Come back. again gap chan chai. So this time try to close the gap. More. So go option more. You try to right hand tie 5 and just try to move and try to hold the wrist. Numko tie 5. Khong dua. Try to be Namko chan. Khong dua. Just drop the elbow. But Khong mong lege mong comes to mong chai comes to your left hip should be down. And then ning sao look back. Khong dua comes out up 8. Stay there, stay there, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good, come back. High thigh sao mong, hands behind hip. One time, toes facing point, right foot, open shoulder, inhale, exhale, mong leg, lift your hip and then drop your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. Change your leg position, bend the right leg. Same options you have tai chi, cross the knee, and then try to move, and then twist, look back. Khong dua, so option high and option bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Come back, high thigh, sao lam, hands behind hip, hip walk, open shoulder, thumbs up, mong leg, lift your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Thang chan. Relax your leg now. Bend your left leg and cross your right leg. First we'll go half lotus and then bend forward, high thigh lane, hip round and thumbs up, kui swung, bend down, hold the right foot, flexion foot, hip round, high thigh lane, both hands up. I'll take in the twist now, cross the leg, tai chi, sao lam, left hand behind hip, drop your right elbow on the left. Also have your option, you can drop elbow, you can hold your right leg, you can hold your left big toe, and one more option, hand under the leg, and you can hold your wrist also. Any option you can be choose. 1, try, right hand under your left leg. 2, quick try. Wait, Emma, Tabi. 4, yes, can now, do up. 5, and now 6, Zoe, come back, again left leg on the right thigh, high thigh lane, both hands up, inhale, exhale, kui swung, bend down, hold your right foot, flex your foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hip bow, high thigh lane, and toes are then high thigh swing. Relax your leg. Right leg on the left thigh. First basic high thigh lane, both hands up. Hip bow, toes up. Exhale, bend forward. Hold the left foot and flex your foot. Inhale, both hands up. Now cross your leg. Drop your left elbow on the right knee. So you have a 4 option. You can choose any of the 1 option. Just try. Tat ka option, any option. Mong fai swung. Your right hip should be down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Cross your leg again. High thigh length. Hip bow. Thighs are twist one with an alternate contra pose. Hold your left foot, flex your foot. 1. Breathing. Tuck hold 1. Continuous breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hip bow, high thigh length, and thighs are then high thigh swan. Gupture. Bend your both legs now. Same thigh chest out, and then your right elbow on the left knee. I'll take the another twist. Thang lung, your spine straight. Twist and just look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chuvasana, not finished yet. So one more. Just try to bring your palm together. Down going Y, ko, thumb your knee, shoulder aligned, and thumb lung spine straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Come back. The same practice another side. You go very basic first. Drop your left elbow, right knee, thumb lung spine straight, twist and look back. 1. Keep lifting spine, thumb lung hover. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chop tie your palm together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. High thigh, some more. Hands behind hip. Open shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Lift your hip, bone leg, and then drop your head. 1. The simple table pose. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Slowly come back. Inhale and exhale and relax. Tatkal, come in the butterfly. Hold your feet. Sweep your knee together for some time. A gentle stretch for the hip, thumb lung, spine straight. Place your palm on the knee and slowly push your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hip bow and thousand. The acceleration. Puisum, bend down. Stay there. Breathing continuous and normal. Tuck hold 1 more. High. Bar. Bone. Up and south. Hip bow, come back. Thighs are relaxed. Tatkal gupture. Bend your both legs. So here, your right leg chuck 5 under your left leg. And cross your right leg to the left leg. Same thigh chest out, left and behind you. We'll practice half spine twist. Drop your right elbow on the left knee. So same options. Option 1, you can be drop elbow, you can be hold big toe, you can be chop thigh, you can be palm together, or you can be hand under the leg also. So you can choose any one option. Any option, your left hip should be down and then twist, look back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax and come back. Change your leg position. Another side the same. Same options we have. Drop your left elbow on the right knee. Right hip down, walk 5 swan, and then try any one option. Just choose. Thumb low, your spine straight. 1. Knee sound, look back. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very good. Come back. And from here, again, come back in the butterfly. I'll take you back, a gentle hip stretch. Down thigh sound, finger lock from behind. Inhale, exhale, then try to be bent up. Just try to push one, down, and hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax. First, gut check, bend your legs. Very good. And then cross your, bend the right leg and left leg straight on your left side. High thigh leg, both hands up. Chop thigh, down thigh. Thousand. Simply just give giant bend on the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the left, hold the left foot and flex your foot, and then try to touch your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Just relax it. Your left hand just put on the front side. Put more front. Right hand up, thigh phi leg. Inhale. First, keep your chest out, and then right arm straight over the head. Stay there. 1. Breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax it. Place both hands behind of your hip. So here we will practice shoulder and the arm stretch and your spine stretch. Inhale, thumb long leg, lift up your spine, and exhale, try to lift your hip. Do a little try to push your hip front, and then try to look up. Just a little try. Thumb, chump, your left leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax, and then pull swan, bend down, stretch your arms, stretch your spine, drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Slowly come back. Change your both legs position. I'll take you the same sequence step by step. High thigh leg, your both hands up. Inhale, down thigh finger lock. Exhale, slowly bend over the right. With every acceleration, little bend down. Top, 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 thousand, then this one here. More. High, bar, bone, numb, and sound. Hit wow, come back. Thousand, turn on the right side. Hold the right foot. flex your right foot, and then try bend down, down swan, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. Now one more, we combine the side bend and the twist and the hip together. Right hand front side, tie five. Tai Chi Lane, left hand up. Keep the chest out. Work upper back twist. Inhale and exhale. Then try to be bent on the left side. Keep the chest out as maximum. 1. Stomach in wobble. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, then relax. Everybody, arm jump. Keep your both legs straight. Relax your legs. Jump tight. Open arms to shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. Both come and line your head down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Hip down, long swan. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. Here, by. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right. Thumb. Inhale, come back. Both arms do the last time. Turn on the left side. Chin. Inhale, come back. And the last, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Junction. Open your both legs, your sideways. So we'll combine now hip and twist together. Jump. Good. So the first high thigh lane, you are both hands up. Inhale, exhale. Now turn, bend on the right side first. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, same. Bend on the left side. Thumb tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Turn on the right side. Hold your right foot and flex your right foot. Then we'll combine together. Down swan, your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come back. Turn on the left side. Hold your left foot and flex your foot. Touch your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 5 and now 6 and then just relax and come back. Tatka twist one bend down. First bounce out, hover and then thang limb and then two twist one. Your hip out, your stomach in, spine straight and then bend down. Just you can gap thigh, okay. You can drop elbow, okay. You can drop chest, okay. Thang thigh, kung okay. Jang thigh, also okay. Anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back slowly, relax. And from here, again, bend your left leg, everybody. And bend your right leg. So now we'll combine the hip and the twist together. Right hand under your right leg. Do up if you can, then tie and composure. Hold your right hand. Comb do up if you cannot, so hold the big toe. Try anyone. And then lift the leg up first. Your right leg. Good. And then right leg straight. Keep your chest down and then try to be look up. Chest up. Try not to. Very good. Tatka do absorb both. High. Ba. Bone. Numb. And then south. Slowly come back. The same practice another side. On your left side. So left leg left side. Left head under left leg. Hold your ankle on the big toe. And then try the one option. Keep the chest down and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back. Good. We will try more like no. The same. Come on. Try once again. So this time Tatka bend. So this time you tie your right hand. Try to be head on the right side. Try again. Hold the ankle. Tabi. Yes. Right hand more on the right side. Chest up. Right hand more and more. And then chest up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back. And the same try on the left side. Home connected, no need to do in very hurry. You take your time, adjust yourself. Same, hold the left ankle with the right hand and then jump leg, chest out and then try to bring knee leg, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 and then just relax. Okay, so thang chan, keep your legs straight and relax your both legs. Gapchan, bend your both legs under your hip and come in the downward facing dog. Thang thigh, thang chan and thang in. Your spine, your arms, your legs straight here. Come in the upward dog. Drop your knee down. Open shoulder and just look up. Your spinal stretch. Again, downward facing dog. Your legs, your arms straight. Once again, upward dog. Drop your knee down. Open shoulder and look up. Good. And come in the meow meow pose in the cat pose. So here I will take the next very gentle twist. The right hand just drop on the left side. Down strong, your head down, tie children, your left hand up. Twist and look up at your left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back. Push the knee down. Another side. Left hand drop. Tie finally your right hand up. And then we will twist. Look up at your right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Come back. Meow meow pose, cat pose, and come in the extended child pose. Got that? Yes. Your knee to hip align, and then stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Tatka downward facing dog. Thang and thanglam. Your arms, your spine should be straight. Chan Chaile. Your left leg up. Chan Chaile your left leg in between your arms. And now up. Tatka jam tie. Open arms to your shoulder level. Thanglam, thanglam, thanglam. And then first we go. Drop your elbow to the left knee and palm together. Make sure your shoulder should be aligned. And then keep your chest out. 1, 2. Anybody feeling difficult? So you can drop your right knee down. Jat kho. So down going 5 swan. You can drop the right knee. And now 6. We go the second continuously. One more. Cross your left leg with the right hand. Tie 5 swan. Right hand down. Yes. And then left arm straight over the head. Same thing. Try. Keep your chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last Chua Song. The last one, try to be crossed and hold your left wrist, not to Tai Chi. If you feeling cannot, Dao Goi Phai Song, you try, tap, then Duak Zoi, when you make it, then keep the legs straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Drop the knee down, relax your head. And now we go the hip. Tatka just try to the high jump swap. Just we go the simple variation only. Just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Coming down, downward facing dog. Thumb tai thumb chân and thumb lung. Balan posa. It's 3 times deep breathing. Tapka hít vào, thở ra, hít vào, thở ra. Inhale, exhale. Come on now, keep continuous. Chân phải lên, your right leg up. Chân phải chuột, right leg in between arms. Everybody up. Open arms, your shoulder level, and then cross your right leg with the left elbow. And now stay there. 1, both chin, child, your left heel up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross your right leg. Tai chi chuan, left hand down. Right arm straight over the head. 1, 2, khom duak, so down go chai chuan. You feeling difficult, so you can drop the left knee down. 5 and 6, and the last one, cross the leg and hold your right wrist. A little challenging, just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. So high jump swap. The front feet just try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Downward facing dog. Come on. Thumb tai thumb, chin thumb lung. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Tapka both chin lane. Raise your heel, gapcha, and jump in between arms. Hít vào, hai tay lên, both hands up, chop tay, and thở ra. Back home. We will practice one more, the last twisting. So you all are prepared for that practice. So this is little advanced, mucho core, but we have option. We will practice with the strap. So option 1, you can retry any side. Tai chi manpo chan fai. You can hold your right wrist. Knee Praveen first. You look at me. Your left hand tai chi. Just to try to be hold your thigh, and then do a go to slowly. You can be down. Then try. Khom duak, jat khozoi. So you have the strap. You take the strap here. Yeah. Hold this in, and then use the hand. And try to go slow. Go more near. Go more near. Then try. You go. Just try from the both side. Take your time. Yes. Okay, go. Tempo go. Tempo go. Tempo go. Đúng rồi. Thôi. Thêm. Rồi. Right. And open leg up quick. Yes. Hands up, very good. Wait. Hold it. Nói Praveen. Lăng một chút Praveen. Ok không? Được thêm. Ok rồi. Thêm. Rồi. Enough. Yeah. Stay there. Tập đi. Tập luôn. Thêm một. Rồi quay ok không? Then một. Em. Very good. Just aim only. Noah. Okay, now from like this. Okay. Wait. Okay, không? Đặt một đua không? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rồi.
Nếu mà có thể suy nghĩ số lượng thì tức mình không thể số được. Mình phải
Right. Breathing.